Good morning, guys. It is raining outside. I just finished my lunch. Yeah, yesterday we went to the grocery. It's me and Inigo. Inigo come here yesterday and he eat one of this. I still love. I'm going to eat that later. Yeah, these are the groceries that I bought yesterday. Grapes, beans, beef, no, and this, and this, and this is inside here, and also cream and cheese spread. Oh, where is the bread? Oh, I have bread here. I don't want this to be expired. So I will put in the freezer. Yeah, also this one I bought it yesterday. I bought a lot of things yesterday because I am in the car of Inigo, so carrying things will be easy. And like maybe 5 days ago, when I finished my self-isolation, I also went to the grocery and I brought it with my bike. Yeah, tissue, I bought tissue and other things, food especially. Oh, my coffee. And in the coming 2 days, I will be back to work. Yeah, we still have work. Good afternoon, guys. Yeah, I'm making this frozen white bread. I am toasting it here because yeah, a long time ago I saw a cockroach inside here. That's why I'm not using that anymore. Yeah, look at the mess. Look at this. Charan! This coming from this one. Yeah, so that it's sealed and I can eat whenever I want. This also, this one is really good. Yeah, I'll keep it here. Oh, outside is good, nice weather today. As you can see, it's really blue. It's flowery. Nice. There is a noisy bird. Yeah. And tomorrow I'll start my work. Yeah. I'll be back to work tomorrow. Doing breakfast 6 o'clock until 2 o'clock. This is cheese spread. I remember when I was a kid, there is our neighbor are selling sandwich bread. Yeah, white bread with this spread. Not this one, but yeah, cheese spread. Okay, we're going to cook this yeah, beans. It's a lot. Actually, we went to the grocery last time 2 days ago. Me and Inigo come here. I told you already before, and we bought these things. And I'm going to cook it now. Yeah, the music wants me to dance. Let's dance. Okay, I just wash it and and ready to cook it. I'll just put the onion, garlic, that's it, and soy sauce. Yeah, so I'm just going to saute this with that and soy sauce. Yeah, there's no, I was checking on the internet if there is a beans recipe, but mostly for Filipinos are just like this. And in other country, I think they're just using this as like a garnish decoration, something like that. There is no pure green beans. As a pure beans, they are just blanching it like a garnish decoration. They do just like that. Even in my previous restaurant, hotel, yeah, beans is just a decoration, garnish, not the main ingredients. Now we're going to put some of this bacon. I should put the bacon first, but you know, it's not in the pan. Whoa, look at this, it's the only rice I have. It's maybe one scoop. Yeah, bad. And you know, in the grocery, if you go to the grocery, they have just like 1 kilo, 1 packet of rice. They don't have this anymore. They don't have the 5 kilo anymore. And if you go to the grocery, they will let you just buy 1 packet or 2 packet. Okay, I think it's ready. Look at this, looks good.